All right, let's start this beer. Once we clean it up, I'm telling you, it's gonna look way better.
All right, I trust you.
We just gotta get it picked out. I mean, we're getting there. We're getting some length, man.
Oh, yeah.
It's really not that long on the bottom.
Yeah, it seems to be going out, like you're saying.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna kind of clean up. First, we're gonna start blending the sides up here. And we'll clean it all up. Do you want me to kind of clean up that mustache too?
Yeah, whatever you think it will.
Kind of get it off the lips.
Yeah.
So you're not eating it all day.
Andrew keeps it. I don't know why he does that.
I think like his biggest thing is he wants to try to handlebar it.
Okay.
So that's when you twist it out.
He's always talking about eating it.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure though, whenever he comes in, when he's in town, he comes to see me, I clean it up for him.
Yeah. Someone else may mess it up and all put it off.
Yeah. We definitely got to find a barber shop, you know.
Have a great one. Take care.
So what we do right here, you want to position the heel of your blade on his cheek and kind of go with his face. That's just going to kind of clean up the strays in the front. Look towards me a little bit. All right, you're good. You can look straight. And as I'm blending into the bald, I'm not laying my clipper flat. You kind of want to get an angle on it. Just glide the teeth over. A lot of times when I'm freehanding a beard, I'll use two hands. Gives me a little more stability so we don't accidentally take too much off and the client wouldn't be too happy. Now we're going to do kind of the same thing we did on that side to this side. He's got a calic right here, so what I'm trying to do is use my corners instead of going full blade, just to kind of clean it all up. Again, use the heel of your blade and then kind of go straight down the shape of his face.
I wasn't sure last time. I know you had a text in the car, but no, you guys are good.
Look at me a little bit. All right, look straight. So now we kind of got the sides good. We're gonna work on the front here, and I really don't think we're gonna need a lot of length off. But down here, we're gonna have to take some off. Look up a little bit right there. So when you wanna do it, you wanna aim for the Adam's apple. You don't wanna create too much of a wedge, just the Adam's apple, and that's gonna even everything out. Start here, Adam's apple. Over here, Adam's apple. Chin up a little bit for me. Beautiful. Do the other side.
Oh boy.
all that stuff, and it's like, there it's pretty strict. Once they get into the back there, you can take it off, buddy.
What happened? What did you do to your arm?
Perfect. Look at me.
Ready? At the same time, I can't do two haircuts at once.
All right, now for the mustache, we're gonna take our one guard. Comb it down a little bit, and then you wanna open it, lever open. We're gonna go with the grain. Now that's gonna take some of the longer ones off, but still keep it looking thick so it doesn't look, you know, funny without a mustache here.
Oh man.
Now we're gonna clean everything up.
Jumping from a log to a bench.
With the lines on a beard, right where the lips meet, you don't ever want to go lower than that unless they request it. It just makes your beard look and feel a little thicker.
I hear that's how, boys grow up fast and
Yeah, I mean, I was pretty rough there. She sticks to the wall.
Yeah, I think you're gonna dig it now that it's cleaned up. Really does not look as long as you might think it.
Yeah, that's in the mirror. Looks way better. Definitely what you say, getting past the growing thing.
Yeah, just that awkward, kind of annoying in your way. You're still kind of getting used to it being there, you know. So, but I think it looks really clean.
No, that one's way better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, and I didn't really take any length off down here.
No, you just shaped it up.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks
So-
way better.
So, all right, now we're just gonna clean the lines up with the razor. Now, if I was shaving a lot, I would lather you up, and just because I'm doing the lines, I like to just kind of dry shave. And when I do it, I start basically at the line, but I'll go down and it'll stop me. So it gives you that nice sharp line.
Go to barber shop. Yes.
All right, look straight at me. We want to double check, turn a little bit, make sure those lines are even, and they look good. All right. Down here though, let it grow. You know what I'm saying? You can kind of clean up low, but you want the majority of it to grow. Huh?
I mean, like on the neck?
Yeah, because that's gonna help the weight. Oh, well, you got it. It's perfect.
Okay. I get what you're saying, though. Don't go too high.
Yeah, because then you're gonna lose all that weight, and it's gonna look stringy.
Okay.
You know, and all that stuff.
Okay.
Cool.
Yep.
All right, let's clean you up. We're actually gonna put a little bit of oil in the beard. It feels a little dry.
They all think it's your
And then here we're gonna use the uppercut. It's a beard balm. This stuff's amazing.
Yeah, so can you order? You sell it here?
Yeah, we have it here.
How much you sell it for?
It's $18. It's a little pricier, but it's a lot bigger than what you typically would get. But it has a really good hold. And it's not as greasy as your typical beard balm.
That's the thing. It's more greasy.
Yeah, this one's not.
I'll probably stock in again.
Yeah, whenever, I mean. You want to get something, whether that's, you know, just something to kind of
I have a balm, but it's not.
rehydrate.
What is this? This one holds it like you're saying.
Oh yeah, it's great. We used to carry a different one, but this one's just uppercut. They just make premium stuff. So when I do put the balm in, I'll comb it back out, and then I'll go one more time with the clipper. Because as you comb it out, I could do this 1,000 times and there's still gonna be little strays. So we'll do it one more time, kind of clean them up. And this time I'm gonna use a brush as I kind of go make a pass with my clippers, and that's gonna kind of clean up any of those stray hairs that I've cut off. Knock them down. Look up for me a little bit. Another good thing is a brush. After you shape it and everything, you brush it, and some of those hairs will pop out with the brush, and then you can kind of knock them down.
They're thinking about trying to work in it.
Yeah, I guess they were meeting. Down out there, with a bunch of restaurant bar owners.
All right.
Just chips to me.
That's basically it. You, my friend, are cleaned up. Looks a lot better, right? And all that is taken in the sides, so. Yeah.
Or you got home and hated myself.
Yeah. The hair look good though and everything?
Yeah,
Everything cool?
Shorter. Yeah, looks good.
Awesome, man. Cool.